What is up, world geography? Happy Thursday. I hope everyone is still doing well out there. There's lots of developments in the news happening every day, every hour, every minute. That's why one of the things I want you to do today for your do now and your attendance assignment is to simply watch CNN 10 and leave a comment in the comment section. Give me some feedback on one of the stories covered. Obviously, it is now Wednesday for me. It's not quite Thursday yet, but um, I would assume it will be dominated by the coronavirus story. So feel free to comment about one of the stories covered in CNN 10, or you can go ahead and comment on something going on with the coronavirus, a new story, a new development, whatever the case may be. All right. But make sure you get that done so I can mark you as present and give you 5 points for your do now assignment. The one assignment I did want to talk to you about in a little bit more detail is going to be your assignment for 6.2. You guys can see my screen up here. It's as a saved announcement because it is set to post for you guys for tomorrow. All right. So you'll see this tomorrow morning when you wake up, Thursday morning when you wake up. And in that assignment, just want to go over a couple things with you. So allow me to pull it up. Once the assignment posts, you'll see that there's a Google Doc attached to you, and there are 6 questions that I want you to answer about Transcaucasia. All right, Transcaucasia is a region of Russia that we're going to focus this section on. And what I wanted to do with you guys in this video is pull up this map and show you exactly what Transcaucasia is. So Transcaucasia is this region that you're looking at right here. Now, if you don't understand your geography very well of this area, it shows you where it is on the map right over here in this globe. And the one thing I want you to really focus on is the fact that Transcaucasia is a gateway of migration between Europe and Asia. And that is why it's so important. And when you think about the history of human civilization and how many people came through this area as they traveled across Europe, across Asia, from Africa into Africa, obviously you have a lot of diversity. So you're going to see a lot of people settle in this area. A lot of different people come and go and stay in this area. So as you read about Transcaucasia, you're going to hear a lot about its history. You're going to hear a lot about the diversity of the people that came through there, the diversity of the people that stayed there. So that's really the takeaway I want you to think about when you think of Transcaucasia. It's really this piece of land, this landmass that connects Asia to Europe, and then obviously Europe, Middle East to Africa, and so on and so forth. All right. All you really need to answer these 6 questions is going to be your homework packet, which is why I put that in the directions. Uh, Pages 191 to 193 in your homework packet. Use the readings in there to answer these questions. And then while you're answering these questions, you should probably go through and answer the questions in your homework packet as well. All right. Relatively quick day, easy day. If you finish early and you have some free time, I would definitely work on your flashcards for chapter 16. That'll be your next quiz. All right, we've got another class period. Uh, we have Central Asia still to cover. And then after Central Asia, we will have our quiz. All right, so you guys can expect a quiz. This will post on Thursday. We'll have class again on Monday for Central Asia, and then on Wednesday next week, we'll do a quick little online quiz, much like the one you guys took for Chapter 15. All right, so make sure you're following along in the homework packets. Make sure you're doing your flashcards. I don't think I'm going to collect the flashcards right away, but what I'll do is I'll have you turn in the flashcards for the entire homework packet of Russia at the end before we take our test. All right, so. Um, Hope you're well. Keep getting your work done. You guys have been doing well. Again, I'm just going to ask everybody if you can try and get your work done as soon as possible. It would be very much appreciated on my end. I have till 10 a.m. the following morning to put your attendance in, but the following day I have to do it on a different screen, and it makes life a little bit more difficult. So if you guys could get it all done, at least your due now attendance assignments done at a reasonable time frame, reasonable hour, I would appreciate it. All right. And if you guys have any questions, you know where to find me. Stay safe, go outside, get some fresh air. but do your part. Like the news keeps saying, everybody needs to do their part and avoid large crowds. Not go to public areas. You can go outside, you can go walk around the block, take your dogs for a walk, go on an adventure hike. But other than that, steer clear of any major crowds and stay at home and keep yourself safe and out of trouble. All right. I will talk to you guys soon.